But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
Welcome, wanderers of the world. Prepare to be transported to the Iran, where the echoes of poets and the whispers of history intertwine to create a tapestry of enchantment. As we meander through the bustling streets and serene gardens of this cultural gem, we invite you to open your hearts to the beauty and mystery that surrounds you. Join us on a journey of discovery and delight, where each step reveals a new chapter in the story of Iran. From the majestic mosques to the fragrant gardens, from the vibrant markets to the tranquil courtyards, let us together uncover the hidden treasures of this mesmerizing city. So grab your virtual walking shoes, embrace the spirit of adventure, and get ready to be captivated by the magic of Iran. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating escapades. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey together. Tonight, we have come to Khayam Flower Market, right on the eve of the delivery of the new solar year. Mashhad Flower Market is not only a place to buy flowers and gardening tools, but it is one of the liveliest and most colorful markets in the holy city of Mashhad and has become one of the tourist attractions of this city. Mashhad Flower Market in Bulwark Khayam is one of the best markets and shopping centers in Mashhad. A place for flower and plant lovers, whose other name is Fathabad Market, and it has everything related to flowers and plants in its heart. This is the flower and plant market of Mashhad, and probably every flower you see in the city was bought by the flower sellers here. In this market, in addition to flowers and plants, you can find all kinds of decorations, all kinds of attractive and lovely vases and pots. I suggest that even if you don't intend to buy, take a walk among the colorful and fragrant flowers of this market so that you will have a deep peace.
ساده فرما
بلش کن بیا مامان دیگه
انتخاب کنیم دیگه اونجا جا جربت نداره
داشتم عکس نگرفتم
پرتقال بوده یه کلاس با هم بستن داشتم
زنجت بسته گرم کنم سفره را ارزه میده